Yo, so little bit different today. Bit of a quick video, probably about 15, maybe 20 minutes. I don't know, we'll see. Basically, I've been asked to go to my kids' school and do a pizza demo. I did this last year and it was good fun. So it goes like this. Basically, there's 3 classes of 30 children, so there's 90 kids. I make them dough. So I've made like little 150 gram dough balls. I've made 90 of them. There's 30 per tray. It looks like this just here. And these are the ones I did this morning. Or like I did them last night and balled them up this morning. They look like that. And basically I've got a few bigger dough balls as well, like in a smaller tray. And what I'm going to do is I give them a little story. So I'll ask them all if they like it. I mean, these kids are like 6 or 7 years old, right? So they're going to be pumped. They're loud. They love pizza. So there's probably going to be quite a bit of shouting. I remember last year they were seriously pumped up. And basically I sort of say to them, ask them what they like about pizza. I'll probably give them a little history lesson on the origins of Neapolitan pizza, especially like pretty much the pizza margherita, why, how and where it become. Which is probably a bit fictional. It probably didn't happen, but it's a nice story, and it will, hopefully they probably won't even remember it, and they'll probably just block it out. But then I'm going to open up some dough. I'm going to throw it in the air. Hopefully get them quite excited about it. Then I'm going to show them what they got to do. Basically, I've got a tray of dough for each class. So I'm going to give them a bag of like semolina. I'm going to give them a dough cutter, and they're going to go back to their class. And after their lunch break, they are going to basically open up the dough. The teacher will get them all out a dough ball on a plate. And they've got all the toppings. They design their own pizza. So I'm just providing them with dough and a little bit of knowledge and a bit of fun. And they're going to top their pizza. And then the cooks, the like school cooks will, after they've done lunch, will basically fire them through the oven. So I've sort of changed up the recipe a little bit to suit the oven. So it's not massively hydrated because I want it to be quite easy for the kids to handle. It's going to be quite soft. It's quite strong. There's 3 different flours. I'll put a little bit of semolina in the mix, the very fine grade one that I used to stretch in. That's going to give it a little bit of crunch, and there's a little bit of oil in there as well because the school ovens cook them at a lower temperature. So next thing you're going to see is me at the school, and I'm not going to get any kids in the shot because obviously it's a school and I can't do that, so it's just going to be pointing at me. So enjoy this. This is probably going to be quite wild. Let's go. That's right.
Alright, I'm going to hand straight over to you.
Okay, cool. Good morning, you two. You okay? Who likes pizza? Who doesn't like pizza? You don't like pizza? Right. Well, are you all looking forward to making your own pizza today? And what is your favourite thing about pizza? You in the middle. It's yummy. What about you? What's your favourite thing about pizza? The toppings. And what's your favourite topping? Pepperoni. That's a good one. That's one of my favourites as well. So, would you like me to tell you a story about pizza? It's a little bit of a history lesson as well, so I'm sorry about that. But I'll be very quick, okay? Is that alright? I am. I'm sorry. Because you have to learn something with this as well. Okay, so who knows where pizza comes from? Who? That's right. It apparently originated in Italy, okay? And so the pizza that I make, I make Neapolitan pizza, okay? And that's a place in Italy, okay? And do you know why and how Neapolitan pizza was made and how it began? No? Well, so there's a pizza called the pizza margherita, okay? And who knows what's on a pizza margherita? It's got tomato, mozzarella, and basil. And do you know what they make up? They make up the colours of the Italian flag, because it's green, white and red. So the red is the sauce, the green is the basil, and the white is the mozzarella. Okay? So in the year 1889, which is about 136 years ago, the King Umberto and the Queen Margherita of Savoy were visiting Naples, okay? And the Queen was fed up of all of the French food that she was eating at the time, because that was popular. That she sort of summoned the best pizza maker in Naples, and his name was Raphael Esposito, okay? And she had him come and visit them and she wanted him to make the best pizza he can, and he made her one called pizza marinara, which just has oregano and garlic on it, and she didn't like that one, so he made her a pizza Napoli, which had anchovies on it, stinky fish. She didn't like that one, and then he designed a whole new pizza, and he made it the pizza margherita, and it had the sauce, the cheese, and the basil, and she loved it. And so on that day, he decided to call that pizza the pizza margherita. And that's how the pizza margherita came to be. That's interesting, right? No? No? But now you know! Now you know! That's cool. So, huh? How do I know that? Google. You already knew that? Okay, cool. Well, who wants me to show you? Do you want me to show you how to stretch a pizza? So, what we have here, and this is what you're going to do, okay? So I have here a big tray of dough. Look at that. Look at it jiggle. See it jiggling? Right, and you're going to have one of these each class, okay? And what you're going to do is I want you to do this, okay? Or something similar to this, okay? So you're going to get your dough. And you guys are going to have a plate, okay? And what you're going to do, we're going to put some of this special flour on the plate like this. Okay? How? It's going to stop it from sticking. And we're going to get some in the tray, and your teachers are going to help with this, and they're going to cut the dough ball out of the tray. And I'll just do this, and I'll show you. Okay? And I'm going to put some more flour on the tray. And they're going to get the dough out of the tray like this, okay? And then they're going to put it in the flour. Put that there. And you're going to cover it in a little. I'm going to get down really low because it's quite low. Okay, and you're going to get it. And you guys are going to stretch it on the plate. So I'm going to show you stretching it on the side here, okay? And it's all soft and it's all fluffy. So what you want to do, I want you to think about, when you've got the dough ball on the plate, I want you to think about a little smiley face. So you've got two eyes, and then you've got the mouth. And I want you to get your fingers, okay, in each hand, and put them where you think the mouth will be. And I want you to push down onto the dough. And you'll push, you see this little air bubble there? You're going to pop that, we don't want that. And you're going to push it down like that. And then you're going to turn it round. So I'm just going to do it like that. And you're going to push down again to the top like that.
Why do you put the pizza with curvy sides?
Why do I?
I need to put the pizza with curvy sides.
Curvy sides? What, like curve it over? You can do that if you like. You can have a stuffed crust pizza if you like, I don't mind. You put cheese in it, you do anything. But we're going to push it out like that, and at this point, this is how I do it. I'm going to get a little bit more flour, and what I do is I pick it up like this, and I go like this. And then I stretch it, and I do that, and then I chuck it in the air. And it gets bigger. Flexible. And that's because it's got gluten. Oh look. So I'm going to do you another one. I'll do you another one, and this one's going to be even bigger. So watch this. So I'm going to push the air. Let me just move that there. Bubble! I'm going to spin it round. Shall I see how big I can get this one? So we're going to go like that. Right, watch this. that, okay? But I don't want you guys to be throwing them around the class, okay? We're going to Sorry. So. Right, this is what you're going to do. You're going to get your dough ball on your plate, okay? This one's the same size as what you're going to do. And this is what I want you to do, because the plate's got these nice rounded edges. I want you to just push it until it reaches that edge, okay? Like this. And I want you to keep it in your plate, okay? See what I'm doing? And just push it till it gets to the edge of the plate. And that's how yours should look, okay? Alright? And then I want you to top your pizza, and then the chefs are going to cook it for you later to take home, okay? Yeah, the cook's in the kitchen. Okay? Happy with that? Oh, I'm not going to cook them, no, they're going to cook them. I'm going to go home. Okay? Everybody happy? I want to see some amazing pizzas, okay? Alright, they're going to take some photos and I'm going to see them. I just want to see some amazing pizzas, okay? Good luck and have fun.
Right, what are we going to say to him? We can't argue too. Because, listening, we've spent a long time. How long has it taken to make all this dough?
So I've got a big pizza van, a big truck, and I sold 80 pizzas yesterday, and then I went home and I made this dough. It took me about 30 minutes to mix it. I've got a big mixer. This is 90 dough balls in here, and then it sat for a few hours, and then I made the dough balls, and then this has been all night. So this is about, right now you're probably about 20 hours old, this dough is. So it's going to be really nice and light, and it's going to be really
Squishy.
Yeah, really squishy, and it's going to be really tasty.
So it's taken, listening, so it's taken lots and lots of Mr. Atkins' time to do that. So that's why we need to say an even bigger thank you. Because without all this, you wouldn't be able to make these pieces this afternoon.
There you go, that was wild, huh? So I've just basically reballed a few because a few of the kids ain't here, so I reballed them, they're going to put them in the fridge and they can have them tomorrow. And I'm going to take a tray of dough, a bag of semolina and 30 plates to each class, and then they can do it and I'm done. So that was cool, wasn't it? They were hyped up. Anyway, bye.